Time to take a virtual tour to beautiful South India.
Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra. I am sorry, split into Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Yanam, Mahe, Karika, all the union territories and the states of South India.
ఏంట్రా ఇది రికార్డింగ్?
ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ಹಾಡೋಣ.
என்னப்பா எல்லாம் ரெடியா?
എടാ എനിക്കൊരു ചായ തരാമോ?
Language is no barrier. Look at all the Northeast here, not complaining when it's hot. You can give this place a thought.
Chennai Express 2 states paint us in a stereotype.
Let us now make something clear. We are different people here. We are south of India. This is not a single state. We're here to clear the slate. We are south of India. There is no Madrasi, we are all Padosi.
Shabrimala, Guruvayur, Alukasan, Chemanur, fish fry, beef fry.
First of every month is dry.
Mohanlal, Mammootty, P.T. Usha and Dhoni, Manorama, Kavakali,
Chandi hit story.
Inkilab, Zindabad, Lal Salam, Hartal, Malabar, Parota, Lungi wearing chetta, prohibition on the rise, tourism will pay the price. UDF, LDF, country cousins in the Gulf.
We are south of India. This is not a single state. We're here to clear the slate. We are south of India. There is no Madrasi. We are all Padosi.
Let's see some glimpse of Vai village, South India, famous for its cuisine, monuments, glorious legacy of dynasties, sculptures, forts, temples, scenic beauty, and of course, people. Plethora of pristine natural beauty. Enjoy the lush greenery on an early morning or evening. Our trip to South India is incomplete if you don't get to enjoy the tranquil serenity and beauty. Speed boating rides, the clear lake water are paradise for nature lovers and photo fanatics. Adventure and beauty together. There is nothing like a boat ride to explore the areas and to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. A mesmerizing treat to your eyes. The cascading waterfalls are a majestic miracle of nature that stands tall from thousands of years. The wildlife adventures in South India, beautiful, unspoilt and unexplored. Historical rocky terrain, beautiful ancient rock art painting. The paints used by people were made by grinding various colored rocks. Marvelous architecture. South India is a landscape dotted with enchanting wilderness and spectacular buildings, including some of the country's most iconic temples. Magnificent palaces. The architectural style sees a blend of many faiths and fusions. And South India is blessed with grandeur forts. Let's learn about some of the important South Indian Hindu festivals. Onam, a festival that celebrates prosperity and fertility. It is celebrated during the harvest season in Kerala. Women wear white saris with golden seams and perform several rituals like Pookalam, which is a colorful decoration painted by people in front of their homes. The festival is often referred as the Festival of Rain Flowers. Yet another festivals are Mysore Dasara, Pongal, the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, Hampi Utsav. Tug of war, Vadamvali, is a sport that is an inevitable part of Onam festivities in Kerala, India. Keralites celebrate Onam with great enthusiasm. Starting with God's own country in Kerala to the vibrant culture of Tamil Nadu, South India is a home to numerous popular festivals that are vibrant and diverse as the land itself. Thrissur yet another annual festival celebrated in Kerala. The festival begins as the moon rises with the Puram star. It shows the Keralite culture with large displays of beautifully decorated elephants, music and fireworks. Keralites celebrate festivals with great zeal and enthusiasm. Athiram Puja Nircha, Kerala. Thousands of people that throng the St. Mary's Church at Athiram Puja in Kottayam with offerings and prayers. An 8-day festival known for its colorful processions and magnificent fireworks. Harvest Festival of India, celebrated in most of the Indian states and called as Pongal, Sankranti, Mahara Sankranti, Makar Vilukku and Lori. Let's see some delicious South Indian dishes. Number 1 is Idli. It is dipped into sambar or chutneys or seasoned with numerous spices. The main ingredients are black lentils and rice. It is a popular breakfast item. Number 2, Uttapam. The main ingredients are white lentils, rice and flour. It is very special dish of Tamil Nadu and it is a thicker version of dosa. Number 3 is Puttu. It is made up of rice flour and coconut, aka steamed rice cake. It is a breakfast dish very common in South India. 4th dish is Idiyappam. It is a very famous dish of Kerala made up of water, salt, flour and noodles. Next famous dish is Pongal. It is made up of rice, milk and tamarind. It's a sweet rice dish usually cooked in a clay pot over an open fire. Next dish is dosa, a very popular one throughout the country. The main ingredients are rice, black lentils. The dish is often garnished with grated coconut and chopped coriander. Next dish is sandal, made up of white chickpeas, black mustard seeds. Chana sandal is a stir-fried dish. Next famous dish is murukku. The main ingredients of murukku are rice flour, black gram, salt and oil. It is deep-fried delicious snack. Next famous dish is kothu parota, made up of parota, onion and tomato. Must visit places of South India. Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Tamil Nadu. It is a 1000 meter gauge railway in Tamil Nadu, built by British in 1908. Second one is Coorg, Karnataka, widely known for being the Scotland of the South. It is an enchanting hill station located not so far from Bangalore. Number 3 is Mysore, Karnataka. Mysore is one of the India's most popular tourist destination. It has rich historical and cultural significance, which can be seen in the splendid Mysore Palace. Next one is Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi, Tamil Nadu, located at the southeastern tip of Pamban Island. Dhanushkodi is one of the unique attractions of Rameshwaram. Next one is Pondicherry, a world away from where you are. Pondicherry welcomes you to a totally different atmosphere with its colorful painted houses in French architecture and relaxed attitude. Next one is Madurai, Tamil Nadu, an energetic ancient city in South India. The city has a number of historical monuments, with the Meenakshi Temple, Thirumalai Nayak Palace being the most prominent. Next one is Fort Kochi, Kerala. A charming seaside area is the historical part of the city and home to many tourist attractions. Next one is Varkala, Kerala. A beautiful experience in itself. Your senses are treated to the fresh sea and wind and the sight of never-ending ocean. Next one is Kerala backwaters. It is one of the most beautiful places to visit in South India. The backwaters of Kerala are a breathtaking sight, particularly at the break of dawn. Next one is Hampi. It is one of those laid-back places with grandiose historical beauty that transports you back in time. Hope you love diving into beautiful South and magnificent India. Thank you.